Okay, class. Welcome back. Yes. Okay, let's go back to our number 2. Okay, we have Sam. Where are you, Sam? Sam.
Yes,
Okay, what
yes.
is the answer in number 2? Here, number 2.
Number two, the the man with the purple shirt.
Have a, what is this? What is this?
Picture to the beard.
Oh, beard is like that. Beard. But mustache is like that. Okay, now please read aloud, Sam.
And five the will for our king.
Okay, the man in the second picture is different because he has got a mustache. The other men haven't got a mustache. Okay, next. I will answer this one. The 3 in the picture 4 is different. It hasn't got any leaves. There are leaves on the trees and the others. Okay, let's have Sunny. Sunny, number 4. Sunny. Where are you, Sunny, my dear? Hello.
Number four is number four is number three.
Oh, why? Why number 3?
Because in number four, the because in number four in Twitter is had not leave, but in the other picture is have leave.
Okay, the answer is the girl who's skating is different because there's only one person in the picture. There are 2 people in other picture. Very good. Okay, now let's move on to section C. Look at the picture set and discuss the differences between each other. Okay, what are the differences in this picture of this one? Okay, can you tell me? Okay, I will tell you. In picture 1, only the girl is riding a bicycle. But in picture 2, there are 2 girls. How about this, Fong?
Teacher. About the in the picture one guy a have a tree. The number two is about he written a climate.
Okay, very good. Next. How about number 3? Sam? No, Liam, don't open the fridge. Go in the room. No. Okay, now
Yes.
let's have some. This one.
And picture 1, the boy is walking, but picture 2, the boy is running.
Oh, running in a hurry. Correct. How about this, Sunny?
It's picture. If picture 1. Teacher.
Okay, the boy.
Teacher.
Yes.
Teacher.
Yes.
Can I go to a toilet?
Okay, you can go to the toilet. Picture 1 is the one is
Okay.
working, and picture 2 is riding a bike or a motor. No, Liam. Close the door. I no enough. Go inside. Go inside. Okay, riding a motorcycle. Okay, very good. Now let's have this one. Look at the pictures and discuss the differences of them. What do we have here? Sunny?
Is picture 2.
Mm-hmm. Okay, this one, the green man here and the green man there. The green man here is not wearing a Sunny
He is not wearing
eyeglasses.
as glasses.
Okay, very
And
good.
picture
In picture 2,
and picture 2, the man under is not wearing glass, but and picture 3, the one man is a farmer, and picture 3, one man is the doctor, but the one man is not eating ice cream. Picture 2, one man is eating ice cream.
okay, very good. How about Sapong? How about this one?
The the man number 1 is don't wear a hat, but number 2 he wearing a hat.
Yes,
No.
a hat. Correct. In picture 3, the man is wearing a cowboy hat, but this one is wearing a scarf, covering a scarf. And he is wearing a jumpsuit. This one is wearing a shirt. Okay, where is Sam? Sam. Sam.
Go outside. You go away.
Okay. The boy in the picture is not eating,
Eating.
but the boy in the second
Boy
picture
eating.
is eating ice
Eating a ice
cream.
cream.
Wow, that's delicious. Very good. No glasses with glasses. No hat with hat. Sun hat and nurse's hat. No ice cream and eating an ice cream. Okay, let's have section D. Please answer this. Write the name of someone you know who has a
Hmm. 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 Hmm.
Sunny. Who has a mustache? Write the name of someone you know who has a mustache.
I don't know anyone one had a mustache.
How about dad or grandpa?
My dad don't have a mustache.
Mm-hmm. Okay, next. This
No,
is... Listen and write your answers, then complete the story. Okay, let's have this one. Number 1, this morning, I watched a video on my laptop of a singer. Oh, no, 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 no. Okay, this one. Oh, it's a little difficult. Do you want to play a game, class?
yes.
Okay, let's play a game. Who will be my partner? Who
I
will
don't
be
know.
my partner? Okay, you, Sunny, you can be my partner.
Yes.
And Fong and Sam will be the team. Okay?
Yes.
Okay, now Sunny, choose your number.
I choose number 1.
Okay, number 1. Is she reading comics? Is she reading comics?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
No, she's reading a book. Okay, next, Fong and Sam.
I choose 7.
Okay, number
2. Number
10. Is he feeding an elephant?
No.
Is that an elephant?
No. Yes.
No.
No.
Okay, next, Sunny. What is our number?
Yeah. It's number 4.
Okay, 4. Is he drinking a cup of coffee?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, next. Fong and Sam. Fong and Sam. Hello.
Number 2. Number
Number
2.
2. Is he running?
Yeah.
Yes, he is. Okay, our turn, Sunny. Nutella.
Oh my God.
Oh, you like Nutella, Fong?
I don't have.
Oh, you don't like chocolate?
No, I don't like.
Oh.
But my sister like.
Okay. How about Sunny? Sunny, 11.
Number 11.
Is he having a shower?
No. Yes.
Yes, he is. Next, Fong and Sam. 3. Okay, is he swimming?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, next, our turn. Sam.
16.
Take points from team 2.
25.
Sunny, sorry, my teammate is Sunny.
25.
Sunny, how many points we take from them?
25.
Okay, 25. Now, Fong and Sam.
Okay.
What number, Sunny?
14. 15.
Other team loses 5 points. Oh my. Okay, next. Next. Our turn, Sunny. Okay, 15. Is he going to the cinema, Sunny?
Yes.
No, he's going in the park. Okay, next. Pong and Sam.
14.
Is he swimming?
No, he isn't.
No, he isn't. Okay, next. Sammy.
Number 7.
No points. Next, team 2.
Number
5. Are they riding camels?
No.
No, they aren't. Okay, next. Sunny, what number?
Number 20.
12?
12.
Is he listening to music?
He's carrying. Yes.
Yes.
No.
Okay, next, Pong and Sam.
Number
Is he jumping?
No.
No. Okay, next. Is he catching a ball? Is-
No.
Yes. Okay, and the last. Is she dancing?
No. She isn't.
Okay. Wow, we are the winner. Better luck next time. Now let's move on to our reward. Reward. Okay, sorry class. We are running out of time. We can have a prize next time. Now let's have active in listening, active in reading, being on time, doing your task, a good student, helping others, on task, participating, persistence, and the last, working hard. Very good class. Okay, it's almost time. Thank you, Sam. Thank you, Sunny. And thank you, Fong. Have a good night. Love you. Bye. Goodbye. See you all. Love you, Fong, Sam, and Sunny. Heart. Bye bye. Good night.